is a very dark environment down there, no light from the surface, really cold. We think it's really one of the most stable cold environments like this on the planet that also has liquid water. The water is in the lower lake ice is kind of in a spider web-like network, connected in different layers of the lake ice from 16 meters all the way down to at least 27 meters.
Sounds amazing. So what did you find down there?
When we drilled ice cores and recovered ice cores from the lake ice surface, we found that this sort of syrupy brine entered our hole. We had taken precautions to sample this carefully, and when we brought the brine to the surface, we characterized the microbiology in it to look and see if there was any life. We then found that there was quite abundant cellular life, much to our surprise, and then we took the brine back to the lab and could then detect that it's metabolically active, that the organisms at very low activities that are the same temperature.
So could those cells, those bacteria, be supporting life down there, like fish or Loch Ness Monster or something?
The only life forms that we found so far are all bacteria. That's the extent of what we've detected so far.
But what are the implications of what you found for other forms of life, maybe here on Earth?
Yeah, sure. So this really gives us a perspective that life can exist and be sustained for thousands of years without any influence from the surface, and that it maybe points to other places on Earth where we could look for such environments in other frozen lakes, under glaciers, other locations in Antarctica, Greenland, and the Arctic.
And how about up there in space? Does your work have any implications for what could be there in a galaxy far, far away?
Yeah, sure. So there is. We're interested in this has expanded our vision of really what the habitability of cryo environments are, and it gives us, we can, similar to what we can do here on Earth, we could look for places like this that might be at similar or maybe even lower temperatures on some of the icy moons or planets in the solar system.